I have half an hour to get ready for a Halloween party tonight. We're probably just gonna be doing a simple, more masculine look because it'll be quicker. So we will start with concealer everywhere. Just a little bit of blush. Then we're gonna go in with a light brown. Just kind of make my eyes look a little bit deeper set, as well as a little bit in the corner with the same light brown. With a smaller brush, you're gonna go under and then blend it out. So I don't have a contour brush, but we're gonna mix a little bit of the two light browns to make a bit more of a, that is very dark. So we're gonna blend that out. I'm sure that'll work. It's gonna work, it's fine. Oops. Okay, I had to use my fingers because nothing else was working. Little chin. And just a little bit up here. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see this because I think the wig might cover it. And then dark eyebrows are definitely the move for either wigs that I end up choosing from. So we're gonna make those a bit thicker. Alright, so I did the same thing on the other eyebrow and we're almost done. Okay, I'm gonna mix some of this clear lash glide. Nope, that's not lash glide. I'm gonna mix some of the clear mascara with a little bit of the dark brown eyeshadow so I can do brown mascara. We're gonna see how this works. And not working. Alright, I ended up trying a different sized mascara brush, and that seems to be working. I still sort of feel like the top of my eyes are gonna be a little bit darker. I'm gonna do puffs. Alright, I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna put on the outfit. I'm gonna quickly throw on all the rest of the stuff. I forgot how hard it is to put this on. I feel like such a handsome prince right now. Like, let's see if this wig will work. Alright, so I'm gonna be a composer because I gotta go. Whimsical, and wait, I have boots. These boots go on too. Here's with the boots. Mom said it's cute, so 2 thumbs up.